Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Larry. If you are an old subscriber or returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I decided to share with you guys how I was able to clear my dark spots. Yes, it's not 100% clear, but I'm still on it. Yeah, and it doesn't take 1 week, 2 weeks, as some people say. No, it's never true. Depending on the things you use, it's a gradual process. So this is my before and after picture. As you can see, I'm still clearing. The things I'll be sharing with you today is my turmeric face mask. In this bowl, I have turmeric, baking soda, honey, and fresh aloe vera gel. Yes. So before doing this, I did a pat test on my hand to see if I'll get a reaction. Then I started mixing everything together. I did it differently. Only baking soda, then turmeric, honey. Then I did the aloe vera alone before mixing everything together. So I will advise you to go to the hospital to get treated within before you can go ahead and do this face mask. And trust me, it do work. This face mask work wonders, but because I don't get time to do it frequently, that's why I'm still having some few spots on my face. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below, because I have some other products I'll be sharing, some other products that I've been using, which helped me a lot. Yes, it's helped me a lot. So if you want to go on this journey with me, kindly subscribe down below to join the family. And as I'm applying, I'm using my foundation brush to apply because of the turmeric. Turmeric can leave yellowy stain on your hands, on your shirt. So I will advise you to use a colored shirt or dress in doing this to prevent any stains. Yes, and after applying the mask, I usually leave it on for 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes or 20 minutes, depending on my time before washing it. And after washing too, you see that you may have some yellowish stains on your face. You can use the micellar water with a cotton to clean it, cotton swab to clean it, or you can still go in with your soap, face soap, to wash it off. So yes, I'm extending the mask on my neck to give my face and neck a uniform color. So if you are having acne, I advise you go to the hospital to get some medicine, to get treated by a dermatologist before you can do this face mask in clearing the dark spots or whatever spots you have. And trust me, this mask has helped me a lot. Yes. Now I will leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. As I said earlier, it's almost dry, so I'll go ahead and wash it. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. And as you can see, my face now is better than before. Yes, so if you want to see the other products, do subscribe, click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, until we meet again. Bye.